Pretty.
Flashback.
I'm so ashamed of myself. Hey! Drum rolls, please. Yeah, let me do a 360. There, this is actually braids. Yeah, it's not pretty there. I look homeless. I look homeless. Like, anyways, I have to start. I'm watching a show so I don't get tired of taking out my braids and yank my hair out. I know myself. I'm telling the truth, that is illegal. Yeah, Alright, boys, you know what I wanted to mention, yeah? When was the first time we sat in front of a camera together?
That's the truth, That's the truth,
I just finished washing my hair.
Is small. I don't have that big button where I can just have enough space to record anything I like in my bathroom. So I'm not bringing you guys to my bathroom for now. I'm just joking. Still, I'm not going to show the clip. So yeah, this is it. My hair is all.
I want to try braiding my hair by myself for the first time. Hey, it's gonna be mute. I'll get my sister who's behind the camera. Grifter, say hi.
Hi.
She'll help me check if I like cut the line perfectly. Cause I can braid normally. I can braid my own hair. I can braid hair generally. I just don't know how to like cut the hair perfectly on my own head. So yeah. Oh, go try and fail error. Yeah, that's very cutting. After I've tried not to. I didn't show the amount of like breakage. I don't know if it's breakage or what is it called. Bring my treasure for me. I don't know if it's much, but the amount of shedding, that's the English, that's the word. Just this. Forgot this thing. I've done it. I've made it to like puff pass, but it's just like this. I think when the hair that comes out from your head, the shedded hair is long, you call it shedding. When it's short, it's breakage. So this is really long. So I think it's, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me put it in the camera just like how YouTubers do. It's long. Some are longer than that. So it's shedding. It's natural. My hair is just, my hair knows that I need hair, but it has the audacity. Will you shut up? That's just a scorpion. It has the audacity to still like break or shed or whatever from my hair. I'm looking for hair and you're coming out. What's the problem? This is where the baby oil comes into work. So my hair is wet, then I'll seal it with this oil. I really love baby oil so much. So if I beat this chicken, I'll just end up. This I don't want to come out, so let me leave that one first before it's gonna go and break. Then leave it. Then I apply some of the oil on my hand. Then I like the smell there. This is what I apply on my body too. After bathing, after baby oil. Let's get right into me trying to braid my hair for the first time. On pair. Cut.
Going. It's getting cleaner.
I make my hair. When I make my hair like weaving or didi, I leave it in for months, for like a month or two, because whenever I think about going to the hairdresser to make my hair. I'm always like scared because I know I'm going there to make hair so I can, like, protective hairstyle to grow hair. But instead, I'll lose the one I have. As I'm always like, man, I feel like I can make my hair by myself. I don't know if I'm doing this thing right though. I'm also not braiding it.
It's fine.
You sure?
Let me show the camera.
No, different. Okay, show the camera.
Okay.
Braiding it tight, so because I have to crochet the kinky, so I'm not braiding it tight. Just braiding it tiny but loose. Hi, I've made mistake. You're supposed to braid one at the back like this. I'll still do it. I'll just move small from that side. Just move small from that. Maybe I should add from now to the side. Okay, it's like I'll add from now. I'll have to stop. Stop here. I don't know if you can see. Is it showing? Is it fine?
It's fine, but it's the sun that is the problem.
Is this place is showing shit?
Yes.
My hair is not showing.
Yes.
I'm trying. Let me braid some more. I'll show you when I'm done. Hearts.
Staring up the sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Did you finish your pasta? Nato. You don't choke them.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong and all.
The front from here is looking normal. Up to like here. Then when I turn back, vroom.
Away together.
They look like already normal. Yeah. Put here. Here than this can't.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. They'll still come out this one. Yeah.
If you see him, you go be like low cut. Don't worry, you will see him. See him finish. When he finish, you get him or you short with that.
Don't finish. I decided to use my edge control since I ran out of my spray gel, and it worked perfectly. It worked perfectly. That's a new method in case you don't have your spray gel. You can still make this hairstyle. Oh, only me see forehead. But I don't have a big forehead though. Just there. This glue decided to get. What's this now? Why are we wasting all our things? Economy is not affecting me in Jesus' name. You can tell that I'm very impatient. I didn't even bother drawing a hairline or anything like that because I know I wanted to go with my hairline. So I just applied the glue there, waited for it to dry partly. Then I continued the procedure by pulling down some hair from like the first crochet on the cornrow down, and then I used my wherever I got this thing from. Long story. Now I'm begging my brother to come help me because man, I'm going to mess this up.
Cut am like human being na see video.
In case you have a big forehead, this is the hairstyle for you. Can you guys see how this hairstyle literally like patted my forehead into, what's that? Is it entering my eye? Oh, what's sorry baby girl. Okay, my brother did his best. So I had to this freaking fowl, I mean chicken or whatever is still bullying me. He doesn't know how to use scissors apparently. So I basically did most of the work. He was just there to supervise me because I can't see the back of my head. But then I did a 360 and I whoop. What's this? That's my error. But we move. It was because of the braid. The way I cornrowed the hair that first time, there was this big O there. Watch the video. Watch it. Go scroll back and see what I'm talking about. I've been carrying this hair like this throughout today. Put your face. Now they know my helper. Yeah, it's so pretty. I swear. It fits me die. What are you telling me? Thanks for watching. Bye.